Stay here, breathing deep. And then inhale, drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. Exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. One more time, inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Release that, bring the knees together. Send the hips back for Balasana. This time, fingertips are gonna draw a line all the way back towards the back edge of your mat. Allow the forehead to rest down, allow the shoulders. See if you can find a nice diaphragmatic breath here. And then slowly press into the fingertips, press into the palms to come all the way back up. Walk the knees underneath the hips again. And this time we will drop the belly for cow pose. Inhale, open the chest, look forward. Exhale, round the spine, lengthen the tailbone down here, press into the fingertips.